using the Stihl at the weekend, cutting up firewood, the 009, and the brake is totally locked up. So I pulled the nut, pulled the bar and the chain. Let's take these 3 screws out and see what the issue is, see if we can repair it. So I've got the screws out, 1, 2, 3, so hopefully we should be able to pull this cover up. Let me just pry it up. So the cover comes up that way because it's got a tang that sits in that hole. Right, we might need to give this a compressed air bath and have a look at what's upset it. I think in my case, either that's got a bit wobbly loose, but there's so much gunk in here that wasn't allowing this mechanism to fluctuate. So I've just sprayed it with WD-40 and freed it up. Let's see if that makes any improvement when we put it on back on the saw. Got it back together, treated myself to a new chain. So now that should activate the brake, and that should deactivate the brake. Well, that's a bit of a save. I thought it was going to cost me 35 quid for this side, but just bunged up from service, so I've cleaned all inside. So yeah, excellent. Cheers for watching.